Transferring your Robinhood Roth IRA to Vanguard is a straightforward process that can help you take advantage of Vanguard's wide range of investment options and low fees. To begin, make sure you have a Vanguard account. If not, you can easily open one on their website. First, gather the necessary information, including your Robinhood account number and Vanguard account number. You will also need to have your personal identification documents ready, such as your social security number and date of birth. Next, log in to your Robinhood account and navigate to the transfer page. You can do this by clicking on the account icon and selecting Transfer. Select the Roth IRA account you want to transfer and choose the option to transfer to another brokerage firm. Now, fill out the transfer form, providing the required information, including your Vanguard account number and the type of account you are transferring to. You will also need to specify the assets you want to transfer, such as stocks, ETFs, or mutual funds. Once you have completed the transfer form, submit it and wait for the transfer to be processed. This can take anywhere from a few days to a few weeks, depending on the complexity of the transfer. You can track the status of your transfer by logging in to your Robinhood account and checking the transfer page. It is essential to note that transferring your Roth IRA from Robinhood to Vanguard may involve some fees, such as transfer fees or account closure fees. Make sure to check with both Robinhood and Vanguard to understand the fees associated with the transfer, to avoid any potential tax implications. Ensure that the transfer is done as a direct trustee-to-trustee transfer, which means the funds are transferred directly from Robinhood to Vanguard without you taking possession of the assets. This will help you avoid any tax penalties or fines. In conclusion, transferring your Robinhood Roth IRA to Vanguard is a relatively simple process that can help you take advantage of Vanguard's investment options and low fees. By following these steps and being aware of the potential fees and tax implications, you can ensure a smooth and successful transfer.